Hello, and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the REOLINK 5MP security camera system wireless outdoor, a cutting-edge solution for your home security needs. This camera system is 100% wire-free and solar-powered, ensuring easy installation without complicated tools or cords, and it comes with a high-capacity battery for long-lasting performance, especially when paired with the REOLINK solar panel. With dual-band Wi-Fi, you can switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies for a stable and flexible connection, enhancing network performance. The camera boasts 5MP Super HD resolution, capturing sharper and clearer videos than standard 1080p cameras, and offers a 355 degrees pan and 140 degrees tilt for an ultra-wide viewing angle, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your home. Advanced smart detection technology minimizes false alarms by accurately identifying people and vehicles, sending instant email and push notifications when motion is detected. You can securely store videos locally on a micro SD card of up to 128 GB, accessible anytime via the REOLINK app, with no subscription fees required for these features. Stay tuned for more insights and reviews on the latest in home security technology.